Hey folks, how y'all doing? Well, I'm going to show you the video of the Maiden of the Dancing Wings Stick 14. And I'm always saying, hey, do your pre-flight, make sure everything's hooked up right and everything. Well, apparently I'm not paying any attention to my own advice. I was up late all night long putting this plane together. Thought I had everything put together correctly and bound up right and everything was working great. Then I got her out to the field. Did my introduction. Did my pre-flight as far as my aileron or my control service test and everything. Range test. Everything looked okay. Took her up. And in flight on my third pass, one aileron, I think it was my right aileron, came undone, and my left flap came, or the other way around. But I lost a flap. I lost an opposite flap to an aileron. So I landed with the other aileron and the other flap on the other side. Don't know how the plane landed successfully. The rudder and the tail and the elevator was okay, but I'm just glad I didn't panic. Got the plane down with one piece, and folks, do your pre-flight correctly. Don't listen to me. Well, listen to me. Do a pre-flight, but just hope that I do a pre-flight correctly. Oh, man. Here's the video. Please forgive me. Hey, folks. How y'all doing? As you can see right here, I have the Dancing Wings Stick 14. And the build was problematic, to say the least. But then again, I've only put maybe 2-3 ARF balsa kits together, so, and the instructions were pretty clear. They were out of sequence, but they were fairly clear. But she went together. She's tested out fine. I got a 4000 smart battery in her right on the CG, and as you can see, she's just slightly nose heavy, which is what you want. We're going to do the maiden flight on her. We're going to see how she does. All metal gears everywhere, and oh gosh, well, we'll see how that goes. Anyways, we're going to see how it goes, and we're going to take her up and have some fun. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. I did not anchor that down. Already done the range test. So winds are out of the east. So motor on. Get out here in the middle here. All right. Pretty easy flying bird. Looks like that 4000 is great. Whoa. Oh man. Ah, there's what happened. Well, folks, I don't know if you heard me when I first took off, but I said, you know what, I didn't anchor that down. Look at my right aileron. It is not moving. So, motor off. But I figured, well, I'll take a chance, and that was stupid of me because I could have crashed the plane. But look what happened here. Look at there. See? See? My screw came undone. I thought I had that anchor down. And I did my pre-flight, I guess, well, I just missed it. I thought I had it, but I've got nothing on this. I've got nothing connecting this aileron. So I landed with one aileron. So, well, there we go, folks. I'm gonna take her back to the shop, but hey, she came back and my flap came undone. So I landed with that aileron and this flap. Okay, guess I'm glad I didn't panic, right? All right, folks, well, we'll try it again when I get it all done correctly. Bye-bye.